Any mention?
Please, Your Lordship. I beg to make a mention of item number 7 of the hearing list. Yes. The counsels for the petitioners appearing via VC in September 23 they had filed a rejoinder to an additional affidavit they had filed. And there are certain allegations that have been made in that. We've sought instructions. Mr. Arkin Kharwanlang is assisting in the matter, but he's unwell. He's rejoining next week. May I just pray for 2 weeks' time, Manoj? We haven't received instructions yet.
No, you want to make a reply to that rejoinder.
No, we just need some instructions, Manoj.
No.
Now, the allegations are that those documents that we placed on record are manufactured documents. Now, we have to at least respond to those allegations.
If you file a reply to their rejoinder, they may again counter by filing another affidavit. So
I don't suppose so, Manoj, because
can it be something like that?
we'll just take some instructions, Manoj.
Do you want to say that they have brought in certain some new facts in their
No,
rejoinder?
we brought in an additional fact. Countering that, they've said that those documents that we placed on record are manufactured documents. That's a very serious allegation. So, Lordships, can I kindly have it after 2 weeks? We'll take instructions.
Yes.
Lordship, I have no objection. They have informed me yesterday.
Just say, Mr. S. Learned senior GA appearing on the state 6 for grant of 2 weeks' time. Prayer has not been objected to by the Planet Council for the petition. So, please stop at 2 weeks.
Obliged, Lordship.
Okay, please, Lordship. Lordship, we beg to make a joint mention of item number 9.
Item number 9.
Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I pray for 2 weeks' time, Your Lordship.
So, in this case, the petitioner was met with a prosecution for non-payment of excise dues. Now, in the meantime, I believe they have initiated some civil proceedings and there's some talk of settlement between the parties. If eventually there is a settlement, then this prosecution probably be closed.
So we'll just adjourn it on the joint prayer. On the joint prayer of the parties, list this matter after 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
After 2 weeks.
Obliged.
May it please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 14, 15, and 16, Your Lordship. This is a conducted matter, Your Lordship.
Item?
14, 15, and 16, Your Lordship. The conducting counsel is not well, Your Lordship. I pray that the matter may be listed after 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
14, 15, 16.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Same set of counsels in all the cases.
No, my lord. I am for 15 and 16. My
I'm
lord.
for 14.
State respondent.
No objection.
No
No.
objection.
Okay, on the request made by the petitioner, list this matter after 2 weeks. 2 weeks.
Yes, Your Lordship. Much obliged.
May it please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to make a mention of item number 5, Your Lordship. Lordship, I pray if this matter may be listed after 2 weeks, Your Lordship, as the learned DSGI is on sanction leave, Your Lordship.
This is a service matter. Is
Yes,
this a
Your
service
Lordship.
matter?
Yes, Your Lordship. A some rifle matter, Your Lordship.
The petitioner? No one.
No one, Your Lordship.
No, that should not go unrepresented. Once the order is passed, then it will be recorded they are absent. Just wait. If this, or you will inform them. Wait. This matter. Wait. You do not know, then what?
2 weeks' time may be given, Your Lordship.
No. But in absence, how come in absence of the petitioner? The court is not refusing your prayer. The only thing is that they are not there. At least you should have informed them. You're going to mention. You should inform. If you mention, the. At least inform the other side.
Yes, Lordship.
Wait. Just see
Okay,
what
Lordship.
happens.
May I please, Your Lordship? I beg to mention item number 4, Your Lordship.
Item number
4, Your Lordship.
4.
Yes, Your Lordship.
The fast item. Yes.
2 weeks' time, Your Lordship.
Why? What's the matter about?
It's
Your Lordship, he joined as
a lab technician, and he
It's a
went
service
for
matter.
yes, service matter, Your Lordship.
These will all go to different bench now.
2 weeks, Your Lordship. 2 weeks, Your
No,
Lordship.
no
No
objection.
objection, Your Lordship.
This.
Similar player for item
Wait,
number
wait,
11 and 12, Your Lordship.
Obliged, Lordship.
This item 4. The request of the petitioner. List after 2 weeks. And then which one?
Similar player for item number 11 and 12, Your Lordship.
Item 11 and 12.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Who are there in item 11 and 12?
I am appearing for the state respondents, Lordship.
And I'm appearing for respondent number 4, Your Lordship.
No objection to this prayer.
No objection.
No objection.
No objection.
Okay. 11, 12 also on the request made with the petitioner list after 2 weeks.
No objection.
Much obliged, Lordship.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, I beg to mention number 8. I pray for 2 weeks' time, Your Lordship.
I'm appearing for a pro forma respondent number 7, Your Lordship. By the way, Lordship, from the state, Mr. A. Kharwanang is appearing.
Is it that salary matter or something?
Yes,
Was it?
for recovery of overpay.
So you are not objecting to his
Lordship,
prayer?
I'm representing from the MPSC, Lordship. I have no role in for the pay. Yes,
You do not have a role.
yes, pro forma respondent.
No objection. No objection. 8 also.
Obliged, Lordship.
Request made on behalf of the petitioner after 2 weeks.
Obliged.
Sorry.
From the main list, item number 1.
This is the witness.
Yes.
Lordship, this is an application, my lord, under section 482, Lordship. We have received instructions, Lordship. Both the petitioners, item number 1 and 2 are connected, Lordship. They are not cooperating with the investigating authorities, Lordship.
That is
So,
okay, but then
yes.
what bearing it would have with insofar as the prayer for quashing is concerned?
Quashing, exactly, Lordship, because no stage of the stage of investigation is still at the very initial stage.
That is
So-
okay. That is all right.
Lordship.
So just because of that, can the prayer be refused?
Not on the prayer, but we are objecting to that, Lordship.
No, that is okay.
Yes.
Then you object. You have a right to object. Isn't it?
Lordship. Then we'll file our objection. my
The
lord.
last order says that you are supposed to file an affidavit in the matter.
Lordship, because
They've
we
asked
have
for
just
time.
received instructions, Lordship. So we were actually thinking that they would give us instructions in the line of 482, Lordship. But the instructions received by us is that they are not cooperating in the matter. So, Your Lordship, in that light, I'll have to maybe seek further clarification, or maybe just from the legal point of view, I'll file my objection.
If that be the only thing you have, that they are not cooperating with the investigation, you do not have to file any objection for that.
My lord,
Then we can proceed for hearing.
then we can proceed for hearing, Lordship.
All right. Yes.
But Lordship, in this matter, I am appearing only for the respondent number 1, Lordship. There's another respondent who is the informant herein. He's been named in by his personally, Lordship, the informant. So I do not have instructions with regard to the respondent number 2,
He's a police inspector.
Lordship.
Any
Step taken for
Yes,
service
Your
of
Lordship.
notice upon.
Yes, we have taken step and it has been delivered to the person on 25/11/2023, Your Lordship. We also file affidavit of service in this matter.
Oh yes, certificate has been received, so he has not entered. So go in his absence. So we'll record that you will not file any objection.
Lordship, to that extent, my lord, just if kindly, my lord, just let it go
See,
for
last
hearing.
order,
Because
last two orders, if you see,
Lordship,
there's a prayer on your behalf to grant
Lordship.
you time to file affidavit.
Lordship,
Okay.
Lordship.
Now you say that you have a very limited instruction.
Exactly.
So in that view of the matter, we will just say that you do not have to file an affidavit.
My lord, if it could be stated, my lord, if possible, lordship, that it'll come for hearing, and if there's any objection to be filed in that course.
See, there is no harm. If you ask for
Lordship,
further
exactly.
time, the court is inclined to give it.
Lordship,
Okay, but then whether you want that or not, that is to be seen.
I would like to file my objection. I would like to place it on record, my lord.
Just. This NG Shallal on its synergy, paying for the respondent number 1, price for grant of further 2 weeks time
2 weeks time, lordship.
for filing an objection in the matter.
1 and 2 connected, my lord.
1 and 2 means?
Item number 1 and number
Yes.
2, lordship.
Let us finish one first.
My lord.
They are allowed least after 2 weeks.
Lordship.
The second one also will be same.
Lordship.
1 and 2 same order.
Much obliged, lordship.
Item number 3.
Lordship, in this matter, we are supposed to file affidavit of service, Your Lordship. I pray some more time may be given to file the same.
Tomorrow Saturday, lordship.
Tomorrow means Monday, after next working day.
Okay.
If you say tomorrow here, that means the next working day.
Lordship.
Yes, we'll allow.
My lord.
Learned counsel for the petition of praise for grant of further time, further 1 week time for filing an affidavit in support of service of notice upon the respondent number 2. They are allowed at least after a week.
Much obliged, lordship.
Highly obliged, Your Lordship.
Supplementary causeless. Hearing. Item number 1.
Yes. Now you can make your prayer. You can record that other side is absent. Okay, there is no harm.
I pray 2 weeks time may be given, Your Lordship.
None appears for the petitioner. Write her name. Appears for the respondent. We'll list the matter after 2 weeks.
Highly obliged, Your Lordship.
Item number 6.
Mr. Guru is appearing for the petitioner, Lordship. This is the matter regarding that visa of that Nigerian national.
Where is he?
He's there. He was there in the morning. I've met him.
So what the court shall do? Wait for him to come.
There's nobody, even his junior is not there.
None appears for the petitioner. Mr. H. Karni is additional senior GA is present on behalf of the respondent. We'll list this matter after 2 weeks.
Obliged.
Item number 10.
Petitioner here.
Yes.
My lord, I appear for the respondent corporation, my lord.
This is a service matter.
My lord,
Is this
yes.
a service matter? It will go
2020,
before
my
other
lord.
bench.
Sorry, what?
It will go before other bench. From
My lord,
tomorrow,
yes.
we'll be having a new roster.
My lord, yes.
So these matters will go.
Yeah, I mean, it has been impending for some time, so there's no hurry as such.
My lord, this will be before the bench of Chief Justice,
Yes,
my lord,
yes,
2020.
that is what.
So, my lord, this matter
From
may
Tuesday onwards.
Tuesday. my lord.
So since the roster
Yes.
is already out, so
Right.
Yes.
just list after. When do you want?
Milord,
2 weeks, my lord. 3 weeks. My seniors
Milord, I will
convenience.
be away from the 4th till the 15th. So, Milord, either before, if next week it comes up once, or maybe after
Let
the
it go,
15th.
be listed after 1 week, then you just
My lord,
see.
yes.
Just on the request of the parties.
I pay for the
List
state.
the matter after a week. After it will come after 1 week, then you arrange.
Obliged.
Item number 13.
Yes, a private
Yes.
respondent.
Please, Lordship.
I'm for the state lordship.
So this is a petition for.
This court knows that.
No lordship. What I'm saying is that there are other respondents also, my lord.
Yes. Have they appeared? Have they?
They have entered
whether notice has been
appearance.
served on them or not?
They've entered appearance, lordship.
If they do not come, then what to do?
Lordship.
Who is representing them?
I think Mr. S.A. Sheikh, lordship.
Is it correct, Mr. Sangma?
Yes.
Yes, Mr. Sheikh for response number 4.
Lordship.
Nobody is present. Anyway, they are not bothered by this court, so it doesn't matter. We'll proceed.
Your Lordship. Lordship, in this, this is the petition which I have come for setting aside the FIR, Your Lordship. If I may take you to the Annexure 1, is the FIR page 14.
Where is the petition?
Now,
Yes.
in this case, Your Lordship.
FIR dated 4/8.
Lordship.
Yes.
Now, in this FIR, what happened? May I just read the FIR? What is the alleged against the petitioner? With reference to subject matter, I would like to submit here the written information report to the effect that on 1st January 2018, Sri Mitun of Reshu Nokat Court over phone telling that there is one veterinary garden for selling at Nokat for emergency medical treatment. Accordingly, accordingly, I come and met Mitun at Kaldang village, where from Mitun accompanied me to his mother's house at Nakat. After having a tea, we left the house of Mitun's mother to see the veterinary garden. As such, I rented my own motorcycle number AS so and so, and Mitun and Sengran in their bike and proceeded ahead. On reaching at the place in between Nokat and Bakra at around 2 p.m., suddenly 3 armed miscreants. One of them is identified as Impu of Bakra, had stopped us at gunpoint. Then 2 armed miscreants had caught me with the help of Sengran and Mitun and taken me forcibly into nearby jungle and kept in jungle. Then 2 unknown miscreants called my wife, telling that your husband had been abducted and threatening to kill me if not pay their demand of rupees 30 lakh only. Somehow I have managed to escape from their captive on 3rd January 2018 and reach at home safely. This
So
is the
you were detained for 2 days.
that is yes, that is the allegation of the
sorry, not you.
private.
You are,
I'm
like
the petitioner here.
person whom
Yes, this is the
who
complaint.
alleged that he was kidnapped.
Yes, I was kidnapped.
Okay, he was kept for 2 days.
For that was the allegation, Lordship. That actually whether he was kept or that is unknown to me. But however, that is the allegation, Your Lordship. Now what happened?
The matter has been charge sheeted now.
Matter had been
Has it been charge sheeted?
Charge sheeted. It seems. I think advocate will be able to matter charge sheeted.
Matters charge sheeted, yes.
It's all right.
But I have not received a copy. I don't have, but anyway, just it said that it's
So you
already.
do not want to go through the charge sheet. This charge sheet is not mentioned. You see, now if it is charge sheeted, it will not be required on your part to go through it, or you would argue.
Lordship, it is good to on my part also to see actually, because
you have not received any summon from the court after charge sheet is filed.
Actually, yes.
Trial
Then I'll-
has
then
not
I'll have
begun.
I'll have to find out whether it's
Well,
charge
madam,
sheeted or
when the charge sheet was filed?
Lordship, actually, I don't have my instructions, Lordship, but then as per my conversation, it's a bit hazy, my lord. I'm sorry.
Lordship,
I've had a conversation with the IO, but it was last year. I'll have to refresh, my lord.
my lord, my humble prayer, let the case record me before
Oh, it seems you have furnished us some copy of some. I think you have supplied us a copy of charge sheet. Probably it is already.
It's on board, Lordship.
I think it is already there. Charge sheet is
Lordship.
already on board. It appears to be.
It appears because I did not keep a copy, my lord. That's why
Yes, you have already appeared, Mr. Accused Sri Empu CH Momin, Sri Sangsang Ar Marak, and Sri Nexbert Marak.
Lordship,
They are-
may I humbly submit you only, because as for the instruction, what they said when I asked for, they said they might have appeared, but they said they have not received the
See,
copy of the
this
charge sheet, because
order-
usually that.
Please listen, please.
Lordship,
Please listen.
Lordship.
There is an order passed on 10th April last year, where you appeared before the court, and court had ordered for supply of copies to you. So thereafter, whether you have received it.
As till now, they said they haven't received a copy.
Copy
of the
has
charge
not been
sheet.
received till May.
We
No, now it is fixed for hearing of charges.
Lordship,
The last order of July, I think you have received a copy probably. Now it will be up to you what you do.
Lordship, I just pray if Lordship allow me, because otherwise also
No, court
just
will
want
allow
to
you.
go through the charge sheet.
Definitely court will allow
I'll
you,
go
but
through
then you
the
must have
charge sheet.
received it. So it is
I
not
will ask,
required that
but because these people they don't know the court proceeding, whether they received the copy also.
it is not required whether if they receive charge sheet, it has nothing to do
Yes, but
with regard to court proceeding. They can simply inform their lawyer that we have received it. Finish.
Lordship.
Lordship, yes, because they didn't say anything about receiving of the charge sheet. That's why I don't have.
Then you have to seek proper instructions because it's 10 months since the last order was passed by the trial court.
No,
So
Lordship.
let him receive, just take instruction from his
Lordship,
client, and then if charge sheet is there, he will definitely. I do not know which way matter it is. What would be his?
Yes. Otherwise, also Lordship, I may be just permitted to go through this one also, because
Which one?
even from
Lordship,
from
this
this
was
record,
given to us by the court, my lord. Actually,
there is no bar, because
you are entitled to get a copy from there.
yes, you
get
can
it
obtain a copy.
but yes, they will get it, but it will take time for them, because I don't know whether they have
It is your
received it or
client,
not.
you have to manage it. Why you are trying to make this court bothered about all those things?
They are all residents of the district only,
This
Lordship.
is for how you arrange. It's up to you. If you have received copies, then just see it. Go through. Mr. P.T. Sangma, London Council, appearing for the just hard London Council, appearing for the parties. And you say Mr. P.T. Sangma, London Council, for the petitioner submits that a charge sheet in the present matter has been filed. and he is yet to receive a copy of the same. He submits that this before this matter is taken up for final adjudication, it would be appropriate on his part to go through the charge sheet and take necessary instructions. Just how we say, what we said. Do you hear me say? Oh, just sit. The learned, just sit up. Just say, the learned counsel. Praise for grant of 2 weeks' time.
My lord, if I may, lordship, what I have received from the court, my lord, I've handed over to this honorable court, lordship. May
There is a Xerox copy. You see, this is not.
My lord, exactly. It's a Xerox copy that I have obtained, my lord, but I had not made a copy, my lord. My small request is, may I make a copy of that?
That
lordship?
was your duty. How you can say, so like, you can obtain it, procure it. You will have the time, so you can again have it.
Lordship.
Or if you want, you want to make copy from here.
Because yes, I had handed over to the court without making a copy, my lord. Extremely sorry for that, lordship.
No. These are all certified copy.
Lordship,
submitted
exactly.
by you.
Lordship.
What was it? The prayer last. You just said the prayer is not opposed by the learned synergy appearing for the state. Stop according to list this matter after
2 weeks.
2 weeks. Do we need to pass a separate order for these things, or she can?
Lordship, an order has to be reflected, lordship. Otherwise, it will be
What?
They will not give.
the Xerox copy cannot be procured by me, my lord, from the registry.
Okay, there will be difficulty in it.
Yes, lordship.
Well,
Which makes sense, lordship, actually.
okay. Just say MS Anji Shilla and Synergy submits. That the copy of the charge sheet which was submitted before this court and is kept in the record. Give a comma. Was submitted by her without retaining a copy. The learned synergy makes a prayer to allow her to make a copy of the. This is charge sheet and that's charge sheet and other papers which were submitted before this court. Come on. Prayer aloud. The learned GA shall be at it is a registry shall allow the learned GA to make a copy of the charge sheet and other documents which were submitted without retaining a copy.
Much obliged, lordship.
Item number 17.
Lordship.